All right, welcome. So we're going to keep on trucking along here. So next one is number 32, and it just is asking us to find different things. So let's go ahead. Let me just go ahead and start with what happens. So if we have one of these, move this along, erase this. So if we have one of these two functions, and we have different things. So we have an amplitude. Our amplitude, that's just given by A. Okay, that's just given by whatever's multiplying in front of sine or cosine. Okay, period, we already talked about period, but just to remind you, it's 2 pi divided by the magnitude of B. So the period should always be positive is what I'm trying to really get at. Okay, the phase shift. Okay, the phase shift's a little bit tricky, okay, because you might think it's C. However, you have to divide out this B thing. So what I'm going to say is you take bx plus C, and we're going to write this as B times x plus C over B, okay? And that gives us a phase shift of negative C over B. Okay, so you have to just factor out that B so that you get the right phase shift. And then you have a vertical shift of plus D, okay, of D. Okay, so in number 32, what we're given y equals 11 sine of 8 times x plus pi over 3. We're not asked to graph it. We're asked to find the amplitude, period, and phase shift. Okay? I'm getting so lazy, I know. Okay, so the amplitude is, again, what's multiplying on the sine. So that's just 11. Period. The period is 2 pi divided by 8, which reduces to pi over 4. And the phase shift here, that's an ugly 3. Let me rewrite it. Okay, the phase shift here is negative pi over 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, all right, next one is number 40. And we're doing sort of the same thing in reverse. We're going to find a sine graph with amplitude 1/2, period 6 pi, and phase shift negative pi over 2. Okay, so the only thing we really have to find is we have to find the B. Okay, so from the period, we know 2 pi divided by B should equal 6 pi, right? So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of algebra magic. Let me write this instead as 2 pi over B equals 6 pi. So then, solving for B is going to equal 2 pi over 6 pi, which is 1/3. Okay, so our function will be y equals 1/2 sine 1/3 x plus pi over 2. Okay, remember the phase shift. The phase shift is a horizontal shift, so it comes in the opposite sign. Okay, just like here. Just like up here, it comes in the opposite sign. Okay. You may also see this written like 1/2 sine x over 3 plus pi over 6. Again, ugly pi over 6, like so. Okay? All right. I will see you all in the next video.